Hello student, today we are start our next alkaloid nicotine. It is the type of pyridine pyrrolidine alkaloid. Next, it is the most important tobacco alkaloid occurring in Nicotina tobacum L and other nicotine species. Next point is it is usually occur in other form of its salt with malic acid and citric acid. Next point is although it is distributed throughout the plant, its highest concentration is found in the leaves in varying amount from 0.6 to 0.8%. The tobacco is the commercial source of nicotine. It is occur not only among other flowering plant but also in vascular cryptogams. Last point is the name nicotine was given in the honor of Sir J. Nicot, ambassador of the King of France to Portugal from in 1559 to 1561. The next point is the isolation of nicotine. The leaves and stem of tobacco plant are dried and powdered and then distilled with milk of lime when nicotine distill over. The next step, the distillate is extracted with ether. When the solvent is evaporated, nicotine is left as an oily liquid which is further purified by the fractional crystallization of its salt like oxalate. Then next point is the properties of nicotine. Nicotine is the colorless levorotatory liquid but its salt are dextrorotatory. The boiling point of nicotine is 246 degrees Celsius. It becomes darkened on exposure to air due to autooxidation. Nicotine is miscible with water in all proportion at a temperature below 60 degrees Celsius. It is a very deadly poisonous, 30 to 50 mg. The dose of nicotine when taken orally kills a man within a few seconds owing to paralysis of nervous system including the respiratory control center. The last property is nicotine in a large amount is used as an insecticide and in the preparation of the nicotinic acid and the niacin. This is the structure of the nicotine. Then next point is the structure evaluation of nicotine or the constitution of the nicotine. The molecular formula of nicotine is C10H14N2. Then both of the nitrogen atom found to be present as the tertiary because nicotine takes up two molecules of methyl iodide to form a dimethyl iodide. On oxidation of nicotine with chromic acid, the nicotine yields the nicotinic acid that is pyridine 3 carboxylic acid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that is pyridine 3 carboxylic acid. This reaction shows that the nicotine alkaloid contain a pyridine nucleus with side chain at the 3 position. This is the formula of nicotine C10H14N2. It gives C5H4N plus C5H10N. This is the composition. That is the side chain has the composition. Is the composition of side chain and this is the pyridine nucleus. The composition of side chain shows that the nicotine absorbs only 3 moles of hydrogen to form the hexahedro derivative, suggesting that the side chain is saturated. Side chain, that means this side chain is the saturated. The next point is the nature and position of the side chain. The nicotine alkaloid forms an addition of compound with zinc chloride, which when heated with the lime yields the pyridine, pyrrole and methylamine. This step clearly reveals that the side chain is the pyrrole derivative, but we have already stated that the side chain is reduced and is having one NCH3 group. It is N-methyl pyrrolidine. Means this side chain is attached to the pyridine nucleus and this CH group is removed and attached to the CH3 group, that is NCH3 group, named as the N-methyl pyrrolidine. Then next step is the nicotine when oxidized with mildly with silver oxide yields the nicotrine by the loss of 4 hydrogen atom. From the above two reaction fact, one may draw the conclusion that the nicotine must contain a pyrrolidine nucleus and therefore the side chain in nicotine must be N-methyl pyrrolidine. Then last step is the nicotine hydroiodide when treated with the methyl iodide forms the nicotine isomethyl iodide, which on oxidation with potassium ferrocyanide yields the nicotone. This on the further oxidation with chromium trioxide produce the N-methyl pyrroline, that means the hyaluronic acid. This reaction shows that the N-methyl pyrroline is attached to 3 positions of the pyridine nucleus by means of the alpha position. Then last point is the synthesis of the nicotine. The Smith in 1928, this synthesis involved in the Claisen condensation of ethyl nicotinate and N-methyl 2-pyrrolidone. Ethyl nicotinate is treated with the N-methyl pyrrolidine. The negative charge of this carbon atom is attacked on this carbon atom and electron move on the ethyl group and it is removed and formation of this compound and form the CO bond. Then next step is the hydrolysis. Then H positive ion is attacked on the nitrogen atom and OH negative ion is attacked on the carbonyl group. This carbonyl group is converted into the acidic group and formation of the beta keto acid. This ring is openly written. Then next step is the decarboxylation. This CO2 group is removed and formation of the compound and from the carbonyl group. Next step is the zinc distillation in the presence of ethyl alcohol. This carbonyl group is converted into the alcoholic group and formation of this compound. This compound is treated with the hydrogen iodide, then H2O is removed. This OH and H is, that is H2O is removed and iodide is attached on the this CH group and formation of this compound. Next step is that this compound is treated with the hydrogen iodide. Then this OH and H remove the water molecule and form this compound. In a last step, this compound is treated with NaOH. Then sodium is react with iodine and remove the sodium iodide, and OH is react sodium and OH and H is remove the water molecule and formation of carbon nitrogen bond and form the nicotine molecule.